Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Thank y'all for stopping by again. Today we got the Lone Star grills fired up and coming up to temp. We're gonna cook all kind of neat stuff today. I'm rotating out my freezer meat. We will be using Uncle Steve's original rub. We will be using Uncle Steve's competition cow powder. We'll be using Uncle Steve's competition pig powder, and we'll be using Uncle Steve's competition bird powder. Why the little bottle? Because I'm out of the big one. Okay, how about that? Good stuff, y'all. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve at UncleStevesShake.com. Get y'all some of that wonderful product he's got, man. Steve, I appreciate you, brother. You rocking, man. You got some of the best stuff out there. All right, let's get this cook going. I've got 4 chicken thighs. I hit them with a little bit of Uncle Steve's original and competition bird powder. We got that. We got just, a little 4-pack of boneless beef ribs, if you ever heard of that. We got them down here. So anyway, hit those with a little bit of competition cow powder and a little bit of original. I do have some Conecuh sausage. That's from my buddy Charlie out there at Pickles Barbecue. T-Roy. Y'all go check them guys out. Alright, Recharge Boudin, that's the local product. If you can get your hands on some of that, that's good stuff. Alright, and actually what I'm going to do, I'm just going to have this on the grill cooking, but the video today is actually going to be, I'm going to make some pig shots. And what that is take a little sausage, wrap it in bacon, and stuff that circle with some cream cheese or whatever you like. So let me get this going, go check on my grill. I'll meet y'all back here in a minute. Alrighty. We got set up here. I got the Conecuh sausage cut up. I'm gonna just probably do 8 or 9 of these things, y'all. Y'all check this out. I got one done. Just one piece of bacon per about anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, maybe, or however tall you want your shot to be. But just take and wrap it, dude, in bacon. See there? And I just pin it with some little metal pins I got. And we're going to stuff that with some cream cheese. I got a little diced up jalapeno right there. And some regular shredded cheddar cheese. But let me show y'all. Y'all come back down here. Pretty simple. I'm using thick cut hickory bacon. Just take one of your sausages there. Piece of bacon. And this is how I did mine. Y'all do y'all's how you want to. I found this works for me. And I'm actually gonna do to where the meat is at the bottom. Bacon got that fat strip in it. And just roll it up like that. Okay. Grab a pen or toothpick, whatever you got on hand. And just push it all the way through, and that's going to hold it. So you set that right there like that, and you're done. So let me get the rest of these done, gang. I'll bring y'all back when we mix up our little stuffing. So we'll be back in just a minute. For our filling, we got 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, probably 8 ounces of shredded cheddar, and I have 1 jalapeno I seeded and diced up. I'm going to take about half of that, probably a couple of tablespoons worth of jalapeno, and we're just gonna mix all this in like this. Come on, camera boy. Just gonna mix it all in real good like that. And I don't have a piping bag. I'm gonna cut the end off of one of my little Ziplocs, and I'm gonna just stuff that in there. So let me do that right quick, y'all, and we'll be right back, and we'll fill these dudes up with some goodness. Alright, y'all, let's see if we can do this right here. We'll start back here with this one. And just squeeze a little bit of that stuffing in there. Like that. Shoot, yeah. Let's fill that dude up. And y'all know when that bacon cooks, it's gonna tighten up, so a little bit's gonna come out, and that's okay. And then we're gonna hit the top of these with a little bit of Uncle Steve's Competition Pig powder. Just like that, man. Isn't that pretty? Look at there, look at there. Yes, now we're set. Alright, I'll meet y'all by the grill. Okay, let's get these on the grill. About 275. We're gonna set them up here on our top rack, y'all. Nice little smoke is going on. I ended up with 7 of them, so. Alright. Get that dude shut down. And we'll let him go a little while. We'll be back. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's see, y'all. Yeah. Should have put a little bit less. This one looks good. That one leaned over a little bit. Hopefully it'll be alright. And we got our little beef ribs and chicken. Oh yeah, man, that stuff's done. The Boudin right there. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Let's just poke one of these and see. 160. We're gonna go a little bit more on those. See if we can get that bacon turned a little bit. All right, guys, we'll be back. I'm gonna pull this other stuff off, but we'll be back and check on the pig shots here in a little bit. All right, this is the chicken, sausage, boudin, the little beef ribs, boneless, a little strip of bacon, a little piece of sausage back here. Man, if y'all could smell this, guys, it smells so good. I'm waiting on the star to show the little pig shots to get done. We're gonna try probably a little bit of all of this, so y'all hang loose. We'll be back. Ooh, look at that. We're almost an hour in, y'all. Look at that little bubbles on the bacon. That looks good. All right, I'm gonna pull these off of here. We'll get them inside and let them rest for a minute. Then we're gonna try some of these dudes right here. All right, guys, we'll let these things rest about 10 minutes. I went ahead and cut one open. Y'all check that out, man. Isn't that cool? A little cream cheese, got a little smokiness on top. Sausage, there's the bottom there. And the bacon got a nice little char to it. So I'm gonna say, y'all come up here. Let's try these pig shots. What do you think? We're gonna do this half right here first. Huh? Oh, I like that. No, that's good. I think, in all actuality, the proper way to do it is to take a whole one like this here. Cheers to you. Now here you Gizmo. He going crazy, y'all. Dang, that's good. That's a double shot. Ooh, y'all, that's really good. The cream cheese with the jalapeno and the cheddar cheese in there, wrapped up in bacon, and that little piece of sausage, that Conecuh sausage, man, give it a little kick at the bottom. I like that. That is freaking awesome. Alright, tell you what. Y'all hang loose. I'm going to grab some of this other stuff. We're going to check it out too. I'll be right back. Okay, we got the cutting board loaded up with some goodies. So, y'all check this out, man. Going in. Here's our little boneless beef ribs. Got a little smoke ring. Nice little color on it. We're going to cut us a little piece of that. Okay, so we got one of those. I actually got a little piece of bacon. I just left that on the grill and let it smoke. So we got that. We got some Conecuh sausage right there. Alright. And we've got some Boudin. And all that is, guys, is like rice dressing wrapped up in like a sausage casing or some kind of synthetic, you know. But that's all it is. It's very good. Very good. Alright. And there's another one of our pig shots. And here's our chicken. And remember, I did dust the top of that with some Uncle Steve's competition pig powder. Hit this with Uncle Steve's competition berry powder. Isn't that pretty though? Nice, huh? Look at that. Tinted about 170, 174. Look. Pretty, huh? Oh yeah. Alright. So, y'all come up here. Let's get us some sampling going, because old Moonshine hungry. Good stuff. Nice little smoke ring on that pecan smoke on the grill. Competition cow powder. That's good stuff, y'all. Try a little piece of the bacon by itself. It's actually got a very good consistency to it. For being done on the grill. Okay. Alright. Conecuh sausage. Love this stuff. Y'all pardon me for eating in front of you. Y'all getting hungry now? Alright. Piece of the Boudin. Yum. That's good stuff, y'all. If y'all don't find that where you at, get it. Can't beat it. Piece of that yummy chicken with Uncle Steve's competition bird powder. That's good stuff, y'all. That's really good. The thighs cook very well. That Lone Star Grills makes some of the best chicken. I don't know what it is, and I've said that before. Man, that thing just makes some good chicken, nice and juicy. Look, if y'all see that, it's still juicy. I mean, that's freaking awesome. Since we had it in our hand, why not, right? All right. And just because we can, we're gonna hit our pig shot one more time. Cheers, everybody. Damn, that's good. Carrie even like that. Yum. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get out of here. Get my snack on. Y'all have a great weekend. And we'll see y'all next time.